Hello, dear. Are you looking for a reliable and efficient GPS tracking software? Look no further. GPS Orbit have the perfect solution for you. With our state-of-the-art GPS tracking software, you can track your vehicles, assets, or even loved ones in real time. Whether you have a fleet of vehicles that needs constant monitoring or you want to keep a close eye on your valuables, GPS Orbit software has got you covered. GPS Orbit provides customized GPS application for users. GPS Orbit app features: live tracking, 24/7, multiple tracking window, web, immobilizer, engine lock, unlock, parking alert, password security, Google Street View, 3D image reports, schedule report mail, history, playback engine, idle, move report for JCB-type vehicles, external, internal battery voltage, fuel management attractive vehicle icon for live tracking, live camera feature SMS command support, task for loading unloading fleet, customize alerts and voice notifications driver info, vehicle info, geofence POI nearby places vehicle location, sharing unlimited HRs, approximately fuel status without fuel sensor.